Here.
Start it up.
Of the cookie, no, you gotta taste this one. This one is way better.
2 minutes?
This one will drive you up a circle. Just take a bite out of it.
That's just straight sugar butter.
Oh my
Dope.
God. That's a fat boy's dream. That's crazy, isn't it?
Why? I can't breathe.
Alright, bruh. Here we go. 6 in a row like we did before. Ready?
Yeah, hold on, Dad. I'm still enjoying it.
It's crazy. That's why I'm only doing like 6 so we can eat the rest of this dough tonight. Listen, what you do is you get you some ice cream and you put this. Why am I teaching this crazy? It's like teaching you how to smoke weed. Y'all gotta stop that. It's crazy. What am I saying to this guy?
Oh, God.
You know what I'm saying? This nigga be 800 pounds worth of drugs.
Let me teach you how to be
Man, you
addicted
gotta
to sugar.
watch your weight. Watch my weight, nigga. You gave me my first cookie dough. I'm the greatest father on the planet. I swear I am. Oh my God. What? Tell me one other father that's better than me other than Jesus.
Other than Jesus?
Yeah. Say the dad off 1 to 1. Yeah, you little. Alright, you got me. I can't say nothing bad against my daddy. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You got me on that one, punk. Yeah, that's a technicality.
Yeah, exactly. You can't say nothing about your grandma.
I'm eating dinner. But Marcia,
Uh-oh.
go on with it. Let's go with your feelings.
Lord have mercy. Mm-mm-mm.
Oh! It's the gift that keeps giving on giving. Alright. Alright, bro.
I don't like it.
You don't like that one?
I don't like the sugar. I don't like it.
Chocolate
Oh, you
chip.
like the chocolate chip one?
Yeah.
Yeah, I just like chocolate.
Yeah, you do.
What's that?
Nick, is that thing off? Because if you run and break something at 60 miles an hour,
Hey, yo, Dad, I'm just cookies and you be like, and then I'll be like, blah, 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 blah. You just talking to myself. That's what.
look, you know how to kick your thing, your brake on the back?
Oh, yeah.
That rib. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, but you don't put your foot down. Get on it. Oh, I guess you can't because you ain't riding. But yeah.
Hey, I'm rolling downhill.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
If you fall and knock that TV off, get off the side. Get off.
But